This tutorial video is designed to accompany the worksheet for lesson 28 of Learn Your Scales and Arpeggios for Saxophone, which guides you through learning the G sequence of major and minor scales and arpeggios, applying the method outlined in lesson 26. It is important that you follow all the instructions on the worksheet, as this video will not cover all that is required by itself. You should already be familiar with the scales of G major and G harmonic minor and their arpeggios. You may choose to use the bis key fingering for B flat in the arpeggio of G minor, but the side key fingering is the most appropriate in both minor scales. The presence of E natural and F sharp makes the ascending melodic minor scale feel very much like a sharp key, whereas you will descend through F natural and E flat. Exercise 58 is for G harmonic minor and exercise 59 is for G melodic minor. Here is the G sequence. There is quite a lot to do in each day of practice plan 28, but be sure to complete this fully before moving on to lesson 29.